Greetings. I hope everybody's doing okay. Now, this is a quick one, and I don't think it will take much of your time. I think it's time, or it's high time for we people in the opposition, specifically we on the opposition side, to begin making acknowledgement of the greater achievements of the regime of this man right here, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I completely agree with the NRM supporters that is completely unfair if we keep on downplaying the efforts of the old man who has held power within our lands for the last 40 years. Just before you get mad, give me a minute. Among the great achievements the regime of the old man has been able to register in the books of history. 1. The regime of this man right here has made it so simple to be employed within his government. He has made sure that he shortens or he shortlists requirements needed for one to be employed in his government. And he has made sure that the only requirement needed for you to be employed within his regime is simply your last name on your national ID. And I think that's a great achievement of the old man. Achievement number 2. The old man and the entire regime have made sure that meritocracy dies within our society. Remember, meritocracy is a system, a society where people are advanced or promoted on the basis of talent, skills, achievements, etc. Not promoted or advanced on the basis of wealth, family background, or the social status of such peoples. But within the regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, meritocracy died so that the minister's nephew could live his dream. I think that's a very bigger achievement. Achievement number 3 of this, our regime led by General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is that hiring within his government has been made look so simple. Actually, to be hired in the government of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, you don't need to know a lot. It's not about what you know, it's who you're related to that matters. In brief, you don't need to know a lot in the regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. All you need to know is who you're related to. Achievement number 4. The regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has made it so simple and so easy for one to communicate within any ministry or within any cabinet meeting. Every cabinet meeting looks more like a family reunion. Take a look at the office of the Speaker of Parliament and all those that are employed within the very office. They nearly come from the same ethnic background. At least 80% of the employees in different ministries within our country, the employee in different ministries is within our country, 80% of the employees in those different ministries nearly come from the same ethnic background as the heads of those ministries. In brief, communication within different ministries, cabinet meetings and ministry meetings has been made so easy because all you need is hiring people from the same ethnic background. I think the regime of the old man has made another achievement of changing the meaning of the word nepotism. Nepotism no longer means what you know. it has a far different meaning. To the regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, they prefer the term nepotism to be a family empowerment program. To them, it's not the meaning you know. To them, it's a family empowerment program. Because take a look, most of the people who hold big offices within the land simply come from the same family background. Achievement number 6. Some of the things that have been made so easy in our country is that climbing the ladder of success, or the ladder of success within a country, Uganda, has been made so easy for as long as you know someone holding a bigger office, holding on to power and authority within our country. You won't struggle a lot to be successful if you're connected to someone holding a bigger office within our land. Achievement number 7, fighting corruption. I think this regime will go down in history as having one of the tactical anti-corruption units amongst all the regimes that have existed within our land. Reason being, the anti-corruption unit of our country is led by a cousin of the corruption chief within the land. A corrupt officer within a land, you don't need to worry a lot, because the head of the anti-corruption unit within our country is a cousin of the corruption chief within the land. Some of the other achievements of the regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is that birth certificates within our country are much more better than CVs. I think I should beg my pardon. Within our country, birth certificates which clearly show or indicate your last name are much more better than your CVs. And lastly, to mention by a few, nepotism within our country has got a different other meaning. It's not the meaning that you know as you, the public or the populace. To the regime of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, nepotism simply means traditional values with government paychecks. In brief, it's completely unfair, totally unfair, if we, the people on the opposition, fail to put an highlight on the achievements, on the greater achievements of this, our regime led by General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Amongst others, those are some of the few. Forget not, 2026, a year of actions. We're protesting this way. We're voting, we're following up, and we are demanding for this victory this time round. Warland.